Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare braised tofu with vegetable, a very traditional Cantonese meatless recipe. And I hope you will love it. First, let's take a look how to prepare the tofu. Cut the tofu into thin slices. Gently place the tofu in the pan. Pan fry both sides until slightly brown. Once the tofu changes color, remove and set aside. Now let's prepare and cut the ingredients. First we have the dry mushroom. It's now been soaked in water until it is hydrated. Remove the stem and cut it into slices. Next, the sweet corn, cut it into sections like this. You can cut the carrots just as it is, or you can cut a few slits over here to make it a little bit nice looking, like this. Button mushroom cut into slices. Broccoli cut into small florets. And lastly, the snow peas. Pluck away both ends. Give it a pull to remove the strings. Before we start to cook, let's make the sauce. So here we have 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, some white pepper, just a tiny bit of dark soy sauce for the color, about 1/8 teaspoon will do, and then a teaspoon of sesame oil, and lastly a teaspoon of light soy sauce. Add a little bit of water and combine all the seasoning. Once we have got everything prepared, it's time to cook. First, heat up some oil in the pan. Add the minced garlic and the ginger slices. Saute over low heat until it turns aromatic. Once it turns aromatic, we can start to add other ingredients. The mushroom, the carrot, broccoli, and the baby corn. Stir fry over low to medium heat for a while. Add the button mushroom. And the sauce that we have prepared just now. Add a bit of extra water. Transfer it to a clay pot, as of most the Chinese chefs are doing. Add some mushroom water that we used to soak the mushroom just now. Braise for 5 to 6 minutes. This is very flavorful. The liquid has already reduced. So now we add the snow peas. Let it cook for half to 1 minute. And lastly, we add a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. Make the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Once the sauce is thickened, add the tofu that we have prepared earlier on. And let the tofu absorb part of the sauce. And now it is ready. Thanks for watching this video, Braised Tofu with Vegetables, Chinese style. And if you want to get the recipe, please follow the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.